All right, so it is time to give you people the gist about what happened in the police station, because this is where Tonto dikeh don't feel as if now she get power pass. All right, so if you remember, before I entered the police station, I made a video and I said I was going inside the police station just in case anything. So immediately I entered the station with my lawyers. A lot of police were telling my lawyers that why would I make such video, you know? So when I met the person that was in charge of our case, that was the first thing he said. He said, why would I make a video like that? You know, and I told him, I said, I don't feel safe with the police because of my past experience. And then the guy said, look at this station. Does this place look like one of those places where you have the experience? I said, no. He said, this is the police station. We are your friends. We are not here to do all those things. Do we look hungry to you? To be very honest, I looked at them. This one's not big boys police. You don't understand? So I sat down. Then they brought out the petition. Now, the petition against me is a class action, tonto dikeh, iyabo, and Sam Clef. What is written on the petition is this. They say I threatened to buy one of them, say I go send courtesies to them, say I say they chop public money, and say I defame their character based on the iyabo and the daughter package. As I look I bust laugh. So I bust laugh now. They start to they now said they will start playing the videos, then I will be defending myself. I said, okay, no problem. So they brought out all the videos and then we're playing it. If we play it, they ask me a question, I write down. Next thing, Tonto dikeh and Iyabo just came behind me. They just came out, they just entered from behind me. So immediately as they entered now, I looked at them, I just smiled. Next thing, Tonto dikeh sat behind me. Iyabo just sat by my right hand side. So as Tonto dikeh sat behind me, I stood up. The police said, what's up? What happened? I said, my enemy cannot sit behind me. He said, come on, continue writing what you're writing. We are here. I said, bros, no verse. I no go write anything. This lady cannot sit behind me. He said, but there are a lot of... I said, bros, I be a dope boy. Juju they fly. Science they fly. Maybe person no can go pour something for my body. Then someone now said, that she should move. Tonto dikeh can't move. As Tonto dikeh move now, I can't continue the write. Then they now said the oga on top is free now, that we should go up with the case. We can't reach up. My lawyer, Tonto dikeh lawyer, Iyabo, their lawyer, all of us, we went up. As we got up now, then they now presented the case to oga. They now said, he said that we had public funds. He said, me and my daughter, we used to do threesome. That he even said he was going to buy one of our friends that is going to chop off his head, Sam Clef. The man said, did you say that? I said, sir, everything they just said here is false, apart from the one I said, Iyabo and her daughter does threesome. The man now said, okay, so why would you say something like that? I said, sir, it is because it was out of provocation. She said, my father knock animal, ewure, and he gave birth to me, meaning my parents are both animals. The man said, did you say that? She said, yes. That I first of all called them faith actress and da. Me, I say, I no call anybody name. The man said, okay. The man now looked at Tonto. First of all, when Tonto entered, he said, Tonto Iyabo, he said, you look like a Nollywood actress. She said, no, I am a politician. In my head, I said, woo. Then Iyabo just said, yes, I'm a Nollywood actress. So moving on, the man now said, do you know this guy? Asked Tonto dikeh. Tonto dikeh said, me, know this thing. Now I tell her, say, your mother is a thing. She says, your mother is a thing. I said, your father is daft and your father is a thing. Then she said, I said, you are a bitch. She looked me. That man said, shut up. She can't say, shut up. Now I say, you shut up. Bitch. The man said, okay. So do you know him before now? Iyabo said no. To be very honest, to be fair to Iyabo in this case, Iyabo was not talking plenty. Tonto dikeh was just shaking body up and down. The man now said, so you want to say something? That is Iyabo. Iyabo now said, sir, all I need is the evidence that me and my daughter does threesome with men. Me, from my head, I say, you two, you go provide evidence how my parents, they be animal at the end of the day. The man now said, okay. That, this thing, did he, see, it did not come to you people. Like the man gonna like tell them, say, you people put threats to life. You people put a lot of things. You understand? So this guy, has he ever come to you people before directly, you know, send you messages and all that? Say no, none of that happened. You know, now the man can say it is something. The man now said it is something that you people can settle, since nobody have gone physical, and it is, you people can figure it out so that you don't go physical outside this. You know, I beg to differ, sir. The man now said, I heard. So Mr. He now said, Mr. Man, you understand? You would get the brief of everything. Then they now said, he said he's going to chop off our friend's head. And I said, then I asked the officer, is that what he said? The officer now said, he said he's going to, yes, chop off the, and I said, excuse me, officer, I didn't say that. I said I'm going to chop his father. Then I said, what does chop his father mean? I said, it is a slang in the ghetto that we use in different contexts. The man can say, okay. The man now said, okay. Okay, you will take the case, you do your investigation, we'll ask him question. Then the lawyer with them, they carry. That one, a man. He say, sir, iyabo is somebody that fights for women. Tonto dikeh. Now my lawyer say, excuse me, sir, this is a man that also does activism online, skincare, and The man say, it's okay. It's okay. You will go down, you understand? You get back to me, get everything together, ask him questions after you do your investigation, and get back to me. You understand? Now the same will go down. As they go down, now I talk say, you will learn. You understand? I can't do I say I talk to my lawyer, but low key now them are the follow you. I say they go learn. When we can't go downstairs. So go downstairs, make the investigation continue. You understand? Immediately we entered. We did go front. Tonto dikeh just rush, go straight, go sit down with the police where they're in charge of the case. Next thing I hear, so are you going to detain him? I just put my ear. Now the policeman can say, that's not how it works. So they talk to Tonto, Tonto just hit the table, bang, come out. The guy says, excuse me, man, I'm talking to you. She vex, go outside. Go they make call the call. If she call anybody, they'll call the policeman. The police guy will pick his phone. He will say, sir, please, I'm busy. Come to the office, something like that. Guy will drop phone. Tonto dikeh go, Tonto dikeh come. And she says everything no work for her. She was so in that they should arrest me, that they should detain me. What for? What for? You understand? Me, I get my own proof. What for? Omo, now so she vex. Next thing I just saw her, I was just looking like she just carried her phone and she snapped me. Then I said, she just took a picture of me. Now, before they entered, immediately they entered, the police guy told everybody to drop their phones. Before we went to the senior police officer's office, the police guy said, drop your phones. He made sure he made it loud. He said, drop your phones. This mama, as we came down, next thing I just saw that she snapped me. I said she snapped me. The police guy said, Mr. Man, calm down. Then I screamed. I said, she snapped me. I swear to God, if she posts that picture online, what I will do to her, I will make sure I ruin them on that internet. Oh boy, the policeman said, Oga, why are you shouting? What's wrong with you? This and Oga, come on, sit down. He told me, I said, bros, as if she posts that picture. Then he now asked the other policeman that, did she take a picture? That one said, yeah, call her. There's call her. She said she has deleted it. I said she has sent it to someone. Do you understand? I said she has sent it to someone. They thought it was a joke. You understand? Next thing, Tonto dikeh and iyabo come out. As they no get what they want, may they lock me up. Next, they didn't want even, it was when the policeman and said, call your shorty and come. They can't say they no lock me up. Two of them, out of shame, they can't come out. Now, when these people went outside, I was still continuing the statement because it was plenty video. I was still continuing the statement. Now, for Sam Clef, when they asked me about Sam Clef, they say I want to pay. Now I talk say, see, the reason why I said I want to chop Sam Clef father is this. He went to go and post my friend's wife on a wheelchair. Davido. I said, Davido is my friend. You understand? And he wasn't happy, and he's a public figure. He posted his wife on a wheelchair. Do you understand? And he was so mad. And I said, if I was Davido, do you understand? I go look for him, I will chop him father. Secondly, I am not Davido. Do you understand? And also, I want to see him father chop. They can't ask me what you mean not chopping father. I say in the ghetto slang, it means I'll bring him to justice and then they go arrest him till him pay them back. So, okay, no problem. Cut the long story short, I did it right. Next thing, I just say tonto dikeh don't post on my picture online.